Hello, welcome to today's video, which will be concentrating on using profiles in Firefox for intercepting proxies. Now if we look on the screen, at the moment I am running an intercepting proxy, Zap Z attack proxy. So if we quickly check the options on this, so look at tools, options, local proxy, we can see that this is running on port 8080. Now we have a couple of options. With Firefox we can open it up. Just give it a couple of seconds just to load up. Right. Now if we look under tools, options, advanced, network and settings, under here we have the option to set it as a manual proxy and point it to 8080. Click OK, then any browsing we're doing through Firefox will go through the Zap proxy. So that's one option. Then obviously if we want to stop using it, we go back in and set it back to no proxy. So that's one option. What I like to use is profiles in Firefox. It makes it a little bit easier, a little bit more streamlined. So if we close Firefox, we need to, if we right click run, and we want to run firefox -p. It's going to bring up the profile manager. There we go. So by default we've got the default. We're going to create a new one, create profile, accept the defaults. We're going to change this in this scenario to call it Zap attack. Leave the folder as the default, click finish. Now we highlight Zap attack and start Firefox. Just wait while that loads up. Okay, let's get the menu bar up. Go in here, tools, options, advanced network settings. So set manual proxy configuration, set this to 127.0.0.1, port 8080. So we want to use it for all protocols. Click OK, and that is then set up. So if we now close down Firefox, reopen it again, we now get prompted for the profiles. So if I select default and click start Firefox, go into the settings again, tools, options, advanced network settings. So we can see under this profile we've got no proxy set up. So we close this down again and reopen it. This time we select Zap attack, start Firefox. If we check the settings under here, hopefully we should find this is set to port 8080. Network settings, there you go, port 8080. So the only time you need to set this up is the initial time. From that point onwards, you can just go in and select which profile you want. Now you're not restricted to just one profile. One option you may want to look at is, say you're using Zap proxy at some stage, you maybe want to start using Burp Suite. You could have Burp Suite running on port 12345. So you could have another profile there for Burp Suite, proxy up to 12345. So when you start Firefox, you got the option of where you want to go to. It just makes it a lot easier than having to keep going in, make the changes, and then forgetting and then having to reset them. Hopefully that's quite a simple video. Hopefully that's useful to some people. We've got plans for a lot more videos coming out. We're looking at stuff like port scanning, malware analysis, memory forensics, looking at stuff you can do in Wireshark, web application testing. So if you think those things are going to be interesting to you, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.